On this episode of What Do You Have in Your Streaming Bill? Well, we got the RAM G.Skill Trident Z 6000 CL30, and we got the graphics card, the RTX 4070 Ti ProArt. We have the CPU, the 7950X Beast Canon M50 mirrorless camera. We have the NVMe Inland TN470. We have an extra 120 millimeter fan, and then we have the power supply Seasonic GX850. We have two capture cards, one for 4K 60 Pro Elgato, and then the other HD60S Plus. That's for the camera. And then we have the CPU cooler, the Assassin 4 Beast and motherboard X670 ORS Elite AX, and then we have this beautiful thing, the CPU case, Fractal North. Got wood?